In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to hand catch your Mini 3. Do this in a location where you can't land the drone safely, like high grass or maybe you're on a boat. So I recommend first that you position the drone close to you and get your hand underneath it. I always like to have the tail end of the drone looking at me. That way my orientation is normal. So I'm just going to back up a little bit here and get the drone a little bit closer. It's a very kind of a windy day here. So I'm going to get in position here. Okay, so there's the drone. We can see it now. All right, so I'm going to position my hand underneath the drone. You notice how it just rose up just a little bit there? So now I'm going to just pull down on that throttle stick, and you see how the drone just gently settles down. The whole time I'm pulling down on the throttle and holding it down until the motors just stop by themselves. And that is how you hand catch a Mini 3 Pro. If you like this video, check this one out and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.